Today, we're exploring how you can gather and use creative data to optimize your ad creatives. This isn't just about making your ads look good, it's about making them work hard, driving engagement, and skyrocketing your ROI. I'm Julian, the CEO of Acuto, a company that builds data and automation solutions tailored to agencies. In this video, I'll explain how you can use creative data to optimize your ads. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make your creative team truly data-driven. Introduction to creative data. First of all, let's define what we mean by creative data. Creative data encompasses all the measurable elements of your ads, from colors, labels, objects, entities, and even the text within the images. It's your ad creative's DNA, providing insights beyond basic performance metrics. But how do we actually begin to harness this wealth of information? Gathering data into BigQuery. The journey begins with gathering all your creative data into one place, and for us, that place is BigQuery. We do this really easily by using Funnel, a marketing intelligence tool. BigQuery serves as the backbone of our data-driven strategy, allowing us to store, query, and manage our vast datasets efficiently. By centralizing our data, we set the stage for sophisticated analysis and optimization strategies. Processing with the Google Vision API. With our data in BigQuery, the next step is to send all our ad images for processing with the Google Vision API. This powerful tool allows us to dissect our creatives at an atomic level, extracting crucial elements such as colors, labels, objects, entities, and text. For instance, in a project for an automotive-focused agency, we discovered that ads featuring images exclusively focused on cars consistently outperformed those incorporating unrelated elements. This revelation, while seemingly intuitive, challenged conventional assumptions and underscored the importance of data-driven decision-making in creative strategy. It's kind of like giving our ads a thorough MRI, revealing insights that are invisible to the naked eye, joining creative and performance data. Once we have our creative data, we combine it with our performance data. This marriage of creativity and analytics allows us to see not just what our ads look like, but also how they perform in the wild. It's here that we start to answer the more meaningful questions about our creatives at scale. Things like, which colors resonate most with our audience? Are certain objects more engaging than others? Analyzing and generating recommendations. With our comprehensive dataset, our analysis can now dive deeper. We use various tools and techniques to sift through the data, looking for patterns and correlations that can inform our future ad campaigns. This process generates actionable recommendations, guiding us on which elements to emphasize in our next batch of creatives. Predictive performance modeling. But we don't stop there. Before we launch our new creatives, we can now run them through a predictive tool that evaluates their likely performance based on our historical data. This step is crucial. It acts as a safety net, ensuring that our ads have the best chance of success before they even go live. Making the creative team data-driven. All these steps culminate in a transformative shift for our creative team. By intertwining data analytics with the creative process, we're not just guessing what might work, we're making informed decisions based on empirical evidence. This approach doesn't stifle creativity, it supercharges it, providing a solid foundation upon which to innovate. In conclusion, optimizing your ad creatives with creative data isn't just good practice, it's necessary in today's competitive digital landscape. By following the steps we've outlined, from gathering data in BigQuery to processing with the Google Vision API and analyzing performance to generate recommendations, you're not just creating ads, you're crafting data-backed masterpieces that resonate with your audience and deliver unparalleled results. Remember, the goal is to make your creative team truly data-driven, unlocking potential and performance like never before. Stay tuned for the next video.